Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to look at the sound the letter H makes, and that is H. Let's begin by looking at some words that begin with that sound. H is for house. H, house. H is for horse. H, horse. H is for hot. H, hot. H is for hand. H, hand. H is for heart. H, heart. H is for hen. H, hen. H is for hippo. H, hippo. H is for hair. H, hair. H is for hat. H, hat. H is for honey. H, honey. Practice makes perfect. So let's go through that sound one more time. H is for house. H, house. H is for horse. H, horse. H is for hot. H, hot. H is for hand. H, hand. H is for heart. H, heart. H is for hen. H, hen. H is for hippo. H, hippo. H is for hair. H, hair. H is for hat. H, hat. H is for honey. H, honey. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.